Ka kore e whakatūro he pōti Māori I mua I te kōwhiringa pōti kitua. Ko te hua tērā o te pōti tangata Kaunihera o Tāmaki te rānei. Tōna te kaumatahi mano ngā tono mai te iwi tūmatanui I tukua. Ko te nuinga, ko te ono te kaumā waru ōrau te nui I whakahe. Ka ia tumamau harawira te roana ake o ngā whakamahuki.
He tohe ana mo ngā tūru Māori.
Māori wards are long overdue in Tāmaki Makaurau. More than half of our country has already implemented Māori wards and we are lagging behind.
And the response has probably been one of the highest we've ever had on a single issue. What was really interesting for me, that out of all the iwi, they didn't all respond.
Ka mutu, auane ake, te amini hia.
Councillor Whipaina.
There is a voice for Māori and a mandate to speak on behalf of Māori because they get elected from the Māori role.
I'm really tired of, seeing our tangata whenua have to beg for that. To beg for us to let them sit at this table. It's shameful.
I hinga te taha whakai, te taha whakahe, te kaumātahi ngā pōti ki te iwa.
Councillor Lee.
No. Some of those people who did vote against still support the Independent Māori Statutory Board, so support having Māori representation on those other committees. So, yeah, it's definitely going to be interesting because even though they've voted against Māori wards today, I don't think they'll be totally saying no to any Māori representation going forward.
I only consider this issue in terms of a mechanism for mana whenua representation. That's my concern. That's what I believe needs to be addressed.
If I signed the statutory declaration thinking I did have Māori ancestry, how are you going to prove I don't? And has there ever been a case taken against someone claiming to have Māori ancestry and then taken to court because they didn't?
He oi kua whakai te Kaunihera kia tirohia tonu hia ngā ara e whai reo ai te Māori ki runga I te Kaunihera. Tumamao harawira, te ao mārama.